I'm from NCL VEKA. My name is Lakshmi Narasimham. I'm AGM for sales and marketing. I'm taking care of sales as well as marketing activities for AP and Telangana. Getting into product category, we are actually into end-to-end solutions to a home, on commercial as well as hospitality projects. Like we are into end-to-end window solution provider. So we have different series. If you have, let me showcase you my entire product portfolio. We have a different categories starting from casement windows and top hung, which is related to, this is the casement series. It's a villa series windows where you can get window along with mesh and grill facility. This is premium series, particularly in villa kind of requirements. Okay, comes to this is color profile, sliding series. Again, this is premium one. We have total 5 colors apart from white. Okay, white is in a basic color, which regular economy requirements used to opt for white color. This is premium one, wherein villas and high-end apartments customers used to prefer this. We have different color options here. Again, this is sliding door, which is 3-track one. You can get 2 panels with one mesh sliding door. This price will start from 1400 onwards per SFT, and we have up to 2000 SFT, 2000 rupees per SFT. You can utilize this window in multi-purpose. This is a casement window. Parallelly, this is a tilt and turn. This is a specialty of our window segment. It's a purely German technology. This is one more option. It's purely, this is as per the customer convenience. You can operate this. If you want full close, you can utilize this like way. And if you want off option also, you can open this in a half way. If you want full, you can open this in a full form. This is one more. This is a new edition. This is for villa high-end requirement. Parallel window. It is also for premium and high-end customers.